Brock, where are we, dude?
I don't fucking know.
It's a little late, boys, but we made it to North Dakota. We're in the parking lot. Brock,
Trying to get a nap. Good night's sleep, you know?
yeah, we got a lot of scouting to do in the morning, buddy.
Yeah, you got a lot.
We gotta find them geese for Saturday, boys.
Got a pretty packed load here.
Yeah, with me.
Gotta make something work, you know?
We got things loaded up here in the back. She's tight. Honestly, I don't know how many more decoys we could fit, but we got them all. We got the cooler strapped up. We're ready to rip, boys.
Oh, yeah.
All right, boys. It is currently August 17th. We're out here in Nodak. Past 2 days, not been it. We shot 3 birds on opener. We were just getting busted, but we got out here on like 250 bird feed. We met up with a bunch of boys. There's gonna be 8 of us out here today. We got, what's the wind looking like? I think it's like southwest. It's like 6 to 15 miles an hour. Hopefully we're gonna get on them. There's a coyote over here somewhere. I don't know, my camera don't zoom that far, but there's a coyote checking us out over there. Let them come into the spread. We're gonna show them what's up. But we're running, how many decoys we got? I got 2 dozen avians out here, and then got a few DOAs. But we got, like I said, 200 birds. They're coming over there from the southeast, and coming off a little river over there. They loaf, roost on the same river, so hopefully they're gonna come in. We're gonna slam them, boys. We're gonna show them what's up, right, B-Rock?
Hell yeah.
Oh yeah. What are we gonna do to them?
We're gonna fuck them up.
Whoa, please watch the language, sir. Damn it.
Shoot them with our shotgun.
All right, well, we'll see you, boys, when there's honkers doing it dirty.
Yeah, tell them.
I don't know what the camera angle is looking like, you know. Where the fuck's my call? You guys want to let them work a little?
Left side, take them. Woo, boys.
Burned them. Here they come. Oh, here, right here. Get down.
Hey, don't get over these.
Should we try and land these and get the second group too, or what?
No, I'd take these and then we'll leave them and then we'll take those
All
out.
right.
Oh, hell yeah.
They're flipping. You guys can burn them if you want.
Alright, get down. APAC right out left. Spin back around.
I need to reload. Fuck me to tears. I have to burn them up top. Should we poke them?
Yeah. Got two.
Fuck it.
Let's go get these ones on the left might do something. No, they're... Let's go pick them up quick. Huh? Yeah, everyone go grab them.
Oh, where do we got birds? We got one right here. Oh, you got that? I don't know what we got over here. I think they got them all. Kill them fuckers!
Okay, we gotta get down. Get down, get down, get down.
Oh yeah, another group, another group.
That one died. That one died. That one's gonna go with it. That one's gonna go with it. We're at.
To the right.
We might just have to do a cleanup, bro. Yeah, just to the right. He'll come right in. Okay, should we go to do a cleanup? Let's fuck this.
Oh yeah, huge line, big line.
Dude, we're gonna have to clean this shit up.
They'll still come, man.
Look at that fucker.
I think it's gonna be another Outback deal.
Yeah, me too.
Kill him! Oh yeah.
What the fuck? Good work.
Is that bird still way over to our right? That one?
One ran way.
That one that.
I'll go get him. Hold on. Sorry, I'll get him. Big line behind us, They do it. It'll be a sick video if we really get into them.
For Gotham. Looking for Gotham.
This might be.
They need to do it dirty for me to hit it for Gotham, dude.
Yeah, we need a good for Gotham one.
They've all been busting my balls to the left. Kill them!
Hell them there, boys!
Oh my god, look at him.
Brock, I don't think we need to call as much when they're kind of wanting it more. Isn't there setting up better?
Oh shit.
For Gotham!
Oh boy. A lot of cripples, boys. Ripple. Yeah, I double. You go get him quick? Yeah.
They're kind of.
So many trips. Are you boys shooting some fucking pigeon shells or what?
I shoot 2 shot.
We have like 8 geese down here.
Fort Gotham!
Oh dear. In, boys, in, let's go. Get down. What are you doing? You want to grab another bird?
Where do we got birds at? Oh, to the left, to the left, to the left. Do you see any belly up or no?
Oh my god, to the right, they're coming in again, aren't they?
No, we got these. Just worried about the birds to the left.
Yeah.
Those did it way fucking better.
Yeah, you did.
And what should we do this time? Kill them!
Cream them would be good, huh?
More birds to the right, big line, by the way. Yep.
Bro,
Do
I
it.
can't even sit in this. There's so much geese in here.
I know, I have no room. I got so much.
Guys, we're gonna hit them with the do 'em dirty!
For the tube!
Hey, boy, big line.
Right out in front, they're coming right over these trees.
Yeah, close your blind. They're gonna come over these trees.
Big line to the right.
Where'd them birds go from the left?
I think they're right below the trees. They were going to the right.
Hey, go grab them quick. The birds are here, right?
No, wait.
Coming over the tree.
Bro, all these fucking geese are moving.
Where are these birds at?
Straight out to the left.
Left.
Oh, there they are.
Watch these ones on the right, too.
Lucas and Mike, Gordon.
Yep.
Okay.
Why am I hearing birds to the right but not seeing birds to the right? Holy Brock, what are you doing? Oh, we got another line that kind of front left. I cut it down a little. What?
We land both of them.
We got more birds to the right too.
What should we do? I'd say just
Let's just try and land them if possible, maybe.
wait till these ones on the right.
Let this group pass, fuck them.
Yeah.
Keep your faces down. If this group does it perfect, we're gonna kill them. Put him down! Where the hell did that one come from? Get down, get down. Oh god, there's more birds. They're coming back.
Oh, right behind us.
That bird's hurt. That's a cripple.
Shoot the single.
All right. Another one. Get down, bro. Get down, get down. Oh yeah, yeah. Get down, get down, get down, get down. These birds might flare because all these fucking cripples we got. Keep your faces down there and come over top. We got like a 5-pack about to eat it up, I think.
They're small back. They'll do it here.
just have so many cripples.
Shooting behind us.
Fuck, we got more birds to our right, god damn it.
Just wait for these ones on our right.
Yeah.
Yeah, hey, the full thunder goes.
Dumb!
Let's go pick them up. We got to. We gotta go.
Get them birds!
Clean up on aisle 1.
Nice!
Why is there
Oh, why is it? Yeah.
Why is there 5 pieces?
That was, they wanted it. I didn't even see him shortstop us. Just getting greasy around here, boy. We are kind of ripping them, boys. I don't even know how many birds we got down. Oh, we can shoot 120, so we don't really have to worry about it for now. Because I can tell you we're nowhere near that, but we're kind of mopping. We have had a lot of flocks kind of get pissed off due to us having cripples out there because they're coming back to back. But
Looks like Grady's on it.
oh, speaking of cripples, he's going.
I think I see a wing over here too.
But we're doing pretty good. We got a good amount of birds behind the blind. What are you thinking, Brock?
Hell yeah.
We killing them, boys, or what?
We're mopping them, boys. Come
We got
on
some
out.
sharpshooters out here.
I don't know about that. All right, we'll hit you boys back with some more birds. I am.
Good for you, man. I'm proud of you.
Oh, geese right below.
Where? Oh fuck! Let's let.
No, just snipe this fucker.
If he's banded, dude.
Yeah.
Can I kill him, guys?
Not yet, not yet, not yet.
Let me know when to shoot it.
Who's shooting it?
Nobody. Should I shoot it?
You're a retard. All right, go grab it. Go grab it. Go grab it. Go grab it. Go grab it.
Run. Gun fuck.
Naked. Oh, catch. You shot it.
What's the elk in it, please? No more birds in the blinds than we killed the whole trip so far.
That's good to hear. I don't even know what's going on with this spread. It's a little.
Yeah, it's kind of wonky, but they like it.
It's working.
They fuck with it.
I like that word.
Little kitty wampus.
It is kind of fucked up now that I'm looking at it. If you're like,
Well, I mean, in all reality, it's not that weird.
yeah, it's
I mean,
just family groups.
we have a family group here. Some pissed off. I mean, it makes sense. There's a hole here for them to land in.
I thought they were kind of do it over here more, but they're like doing it like right over here.
Yeah, I figured they were gonna kind of come more from the right and shortstop to the right. To be honest with you, that's what I thought. That's why I kind of went less over there, building like a stopper over here. But you get what you get, and you don't throw a fit.
That's true.
Yeah.
Oh.
What?
Anybody got something to
I
drink?
thought I heard some.
I got Gary. You want to cook on that fucker? Let's do a little swig of it.
If you want a little suckle,
Oh my god.
See him over here.
Let's just drink more than 6 in my mind, by the way. We take them
Look at what the difference between mine and Jack's blind.
There has to be. Is there a bunch of my butt's wet? Is there like a bunch of blood on it?
yeah. Let's go piles of 5 behind blinds.
That one's still alive?
So let's see how many we got here. I already got 2 here. I need 3.
2?
I need 3 more. So 1,
I'll try getting more of this.
2, 3. Just try not to leave like any bare spots.
Yeah, try to do 500 light blinds.
Yeah. All right. Got him! Triple! Oh, shoot it! We're sitting in town right now. It's currently about 1 o'clock. I kind of realized at the end of the video it jumps around a little bit. I forgot to press record when the flock came in. I think we missed about 2 flocks, but kind of have a little bit of an outro filmed. But so that's what happened there, boys, by the way. So head to that outro now. All right, boys, we did them pretty dirty. Ended up with I think it was 56 was the final count. Boys, let's get a post-game interview here. How did she go?
I mean, wasn't bad at all. Kind of fucked ourselves a little bit once, but
Yeah, it's pretty good. The boys shot straight. And I think we could have had a little more, but we'll take what we can get.
You know, it's good enough. She's pretty cherry, boys. Ho ho ho! Hell yeah, B-Rock.